Hi, hello my dear students, a very good evening to all of you. Warm welcome to Turito live classes. We are discussing the chapter polynomials. So, in the last class we have discussed how to factorize the given polynomial by grouping the terms. In today's class we are going to discuss some more concepts in the same chapter polynomials. So, in today's class we are going to discuss factorizing the difference of two squares, factorization of quadratic trinomials. Okay. So, once we can recap what we have discussed in the last class. So, factorization by grouping, and we have done some problems related to that. Next, learning objectives means what we are going to discuss in today's class. So, we will learn following concepts in this topic: factorizing the difference of two squares, factorization of quadratic trinomials, and we can do some problems related to these two concepts. Now, first let us take factorizing the difference of two squares. So, difference means minus. Difference means minus when we have two terms, and if they are two squares, we have to subtract one by another. That is known as factorizing the difference of two squares. Now, so already we know the formula: a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. If you suppose that a is one term and b is second term, a square means square of a, b square means square of b. Difference of a square and b square is a square minus b square. So, that can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So, let us take example 100 minus 9x square, where 100 can be written as 10 square. Here we have 100 minus 9x square, 100 can be written as 10 square, 9x square can be written as 3x square. 100 is a perfect square, 10 square, 9 is also a perfect square, that is 3 square. So, we can write 100 as 10 square, 9x square as 3x whole square. So, by comparing this with this formula, a square minus b square, in place of a we have 10, in place of b we have 3x. So, according to this formula, a minus b 10 minus 3x into a plus b 10 plus 3x. So, 10 minus 3x into 10 plus 3x. Just like that, can you say what is x square minus 1? According to this formula, how can you express x square minus 1? Very simple. So, x square 1 can be written as 1 square, x square minus 1 square. Again, this is in the form of a square minus b square, a equal to x, b equal to 1, a minus b x minus 1 into a plus b x plus 1. So, when we have the difference of two squares, just you can use the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So, we can conclude this formula by taking the example 100 minus 9x square. So, write 100 as 10 square, 9x square as 3x whole square, and apply this formula. We got 10 minus 3x into 10 plus 3x. Now, let us do some problems related to this formula. Now, we are going to discuss the problems related to the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now, look at this. Factorize 49x square minus 1 by 4. Two terms are given. First of all, we have to express the two terms of the given polynomial as the difference of two squares. Means we have to express in the form of a square minus b square, 49x square minus 1 by 4. 49 is a perfect square. So, that is the square of the number 7. 7 square equal to 49. So, we can write 49x square as 7x whole square minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is also a perfect square, because 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square minus of 1 by 2 whole square. Now, clearly this is in the form of a square minus b square. So, just we have discussed it now. a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, where in place of a we have 7x, in place of b we have 1 by 2. So, by applying that formula, a minus b 7x minus 1 by 2 into a plus b 7x plus 1 by 2. Okay. So, here we have expressed 49x square minus 1 by 4 as the product of two polynomials as 7x minus 1 by 2 into 7x plus 1 by 2. So, by multiplying these two polynomials again, you will get the given expression only. So, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square 7x whole square 49x square, that is the first term, minus b square 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4, that is the second term. Next, factorize 18a square x square minus 32. So, here also we have to express the two terms of the given polynomial as the difference of two squares, means we have to express in the form of a square minus b square. After expressing like that, use the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, by taking the given polynomial 18 a square x square minus 32. 18 can be written as 2 into 9, 32 can be written as 2 into 16. 18 can be written as 2 into 9, second term 32 can be written as 2 into 16. So, this 2 is clearly a common factor, 9 is a perfect square 3 square, 16 is also a perfect square 4 square. So, that is why from 18 a square x square minus 32, by taking 2 as common, by taking 2 as common. So, from 18 we have taken 2 as common, the remaining part is 9. So, 9 a square x square, 9 a square x square minus, from 32 we have taken 2 as common, so that is 16. So, 2 of 9 a square x square minus 16. Since 9 and 16 are the perfect squares, we can write the first term 2 into 9 a square x square can be written as 3ax whole square. 9 a square x square can be written as 3ax whole square. 9 a square x square minus 16 can be written as 4 square, minus 4 square. So, 2 of 3ax whole square minus 4 square. Again, this is in the form of a square minus b square, where in place of a we have 3ax, in place of b we have 4. So, that is why again by using the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, or you may write a minus b into a plus, both are same, a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. So, by applying that formula a plus b 3ax plus 4 into a minus b 3ax minus 4. So, we can write 2 into 3ax plus 4 into 3ax minus 4, or you may write 2 into 3ax minus 4 into 3ax plus 4. So, we have expressed the given polynomial as the product of three polynomials like 2 into 3ax plus 4 into 3ax minus 4. So, the given expression is 18 a square x square minus 32. From 18 and 32 take 2 as common, we got 9 a square x square minus 16. So, this is a perfect square, we can write 3ax whole square. 16 is also a perfect square, we can write that is 4 square. Now, by observing these two terms in the bracket, clearly they are in the form of a square minus b square. Apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. So, we got finally 2 of 3ax plus 4 into 3ax minus 4. Next, factorize 1 plus 2ab minus a square plus b square. Factorize 1 plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square. So, by expanding the bracket, what will you get? Minus a square minus b square. The given expression is 1 plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square, minus of a square plus b square. So, from this 1 plus 2ab, by expanding the bracket, in the bracket we have two terms, a square and b square. So, minus a square minus b square, 1 plus 2ab minus a square minus b square. From 2ab minus a square minus b square, we can take minus as common. From 2ab minus a square minus b square, we can take minus as common. So, by taking minus as common, you will get a square plus b square. Here we can write 2ab. So, clearly that is in the form of a minus b whole square expansion. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is why we can write the terms in the bracket as a minus b whole square, where 1 can be written as 1 square. So, whatever the power of 1 may be, you will get 1 only. Minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a minus b whole square. Now, by observing 1 square minus of a minus b whole square, clearly that is the difference of two squares. So, where a equal to 1 and b equal to a minus b. So, by using the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So, from this you will get a minus b, where a equal to 1 and b equal to a minus b. So, a minus b, 1 minus of a minus b into a plus b, 1 plus a minus b. So, from this 1 minus a minus b, by expanding minus a minus into minus plus b, 1 minus a plus b. Here you will get 1 plus a minus b. So, we can express the given polynomial 1 plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square as 1 minus a plus b into 1 plus a minus b. So, keep the first term 1 as it is. From the remaining 3 terms 2ab minus of a square plus b square, you can take minus as common. So, 1 minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, the 3 terms in the bracket can be written as a minus b whole square. So, 1 square minus of a minus b whole square. So, this expression is clearly in the form of a square minus b square. So, a minus b into a plus b. So, 1 minus of a minus b into 1 plus a minus b. So, 1 minus a minus of minus plus b into 1 plus a minus b. So, just like this we can express the given polynomial as the product of factors. Next, factorize x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. First of all, we have to express the given polynomial as the difference of two squares. So, by adding and subtracting, so first of all the given polynomial is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. Let us add and subtract 1. So, first we can write x power 4 as x square whole square. 1 by x power 4 can be written as 1 by x square whole square. By adding and subtracting 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1. So, why? By adding and subtracting 1, since by adding and subtracting 1, by adding and subtracting 1. By adding 1, already 1 is there, 1 plus 1 2. By subtracting 1, minus 1. Again 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Again here 2 can be written as, by dividing and multiplying by x square, we can write x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 is there. By dividing and multiplying by x square, 2 into x square into 1 by x square minus 1. Now, if you take the first 3 terms, x square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2x square into 1 by x square, clearly this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square, where in place of a we have x square, in place of b we have 1 by x square. So, the formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b means x square plus b square. So, a plus b, x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Minus 1 is there, that 1 can be written as 1 square. X square plus 1 by x square whole square, 1 can be written as minus 1 square. Now, clearly this is in the form of a square minus b square. In place of a we have x square plus 1 by x square. In place of b we have 1. So, apply the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. A minus b, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into a plus b, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay. So, first you can take x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, write x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square, add and subtract 1, we got 2 minus 1, divide and multiply 2 by x square, we got this is in the form of a plus b whole square formula, write 1 as 1 square and apply the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, where a equal to x square plus 1 by x square and b equal to 1. So, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. So, hope you understood, ma. Next. So, factorization of quadratic trinomials. What is the meaning of trinomial? A polynomial which contains 3 terms. A polynomial which contains 3 terms is known as a quadratic trinomial. Okay. So, quadra means 2, second degree. If a polynomial contains 3 terms and the degree of that polynomial is 2, then we can say that is a quadratic trinomial. So, when a quadratic trinomial is given, so polynomials of the form x square plus bx plus c. So, by observing this polynomial clearly, that is a second degree polynomial. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 terms are there, that is why that is a trinomial. Since the degree is 2, that is a quadratic trinomial. So, if p comma q are 2 integers such that p plus q equal to b. So, where we have b. So, for example, if we have x square plus 3x plus 4. So, p plus q equal to b, where b equal to 3. B equal to 3. So, you may write 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, 4 minus 1 like that. And p into q equal to c. So, p into q equal to c means that is 4. That is 4. Then we can express x square plus px plus c equal to, where in place of b by writing p plus q, x square plus p plus q into x plus c, in place of c by writing pq. Now, by simplifying x square p into x px plus q into x qx plus pq. From x square plus px we can take x as common. So, x of x plus p. From qx plus pq by taking q as common, q of x plus p. Again by taking this x plus p as common. So, x plus p into x plus q. So, that is why we can express the polynomial x square plus bx plus c as the product of 2 linear polynomials like this, x plus p into x plus q. So, remember this is a quadratic trinomial, the middle term is bx and the constant term is c. We have to take the factors of c. So, c equal p into q, p into q. By adding means p and q, by adding p and q means p plus q, you will get b. Then we can express that polynomial as x plus p into x plus q. If you take the example, x square plus 9x plus 18, x square plus 9x plus 18, x square plus 9x plus 18, we can express that as x plus 6 into x plus 3, x plus 6 into x plus 3. So, here what is c? 18. So, by comparing this with x square plus bx plus c, in place of b we have 9, In place of c we have 18. Take the factors of 18. How can you take? So, for example, if you take 18 factor, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18, 1 into 18 18. But you must take the factors of 18. By adding those two factors, you must get 9. So, by taking the factors of 18 as 2 and 9, but 2 plus 9 is 11, but the middle term is 9. So, again you can take the factors of 18 as 6 and 3. 6 into 3 18, 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So, you can take the factors like that. You can take the factors like that. So, take the factors of the constant. By adding the factors, you must get the middle term. So, that is why now 9 can be written as 6 plus 3, x square plus 6x plus 3x. 6 plus 3 is 9. 18 can be written as 6 into 3, or you can keep 18. Take the first two terms x square plus 6x, you can take x as common, x plus 6. By grouping the terms, we have discussed in the last class. From 3x plus 18, by taking 3 as common, x plus 6. Again by taking this x plus 6 as common, finally we got x plus 6 into, here we have x, here we have 3. So, x plus 6 into x plus 3. So, by multiplying these two terms, definitely you will get LHS only, that is x square plus 9x plus 18. So, when we have the quadratic trinomial like this, coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, middle term is bx, constant term is c. Take the factors of constant term, by adding them you must get the middle term, that is b. According to that, you can take the factors and simplify, then we can express the given polynomial as the product of two polynomials. Okay, now let us do some problems related to this concept. Next, also we have in the previous, we have taken the polynomial in the form x square plus bx plus c, means the coefficient of x square is 1. But it is not necessary that always the given polynomial may contain the coefficient of x square as 1. Sometimes we may have ax square. So, if the given polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, in the previous slide we have x square plus bx plus c, here we have ax square plus bx plus c. Here also, if we suppose that p and q are two integers, you may take positive integers or negative integers such that p plus q equal to b and p into q equal to ac. So, here ax square plus bx plus c. Now, you can multiply a and c. You can multiply a and c, you will get some number. Take the factors of that number. By adding those two numbers, you must get the middle term b. So, p plus q equal to b and pq equal to ac, then we can write ax square plus bx plus c equal to ax square in place of b by writing p plus q. So, p plus q into x plus c, here by observing this pq equal to ac, by taking pq equal to ac, here we have c. So, that is why to get the value of c, by dividing on both sides by a, you will get c equal to pq by a, c equal to pq by a. Now, by taking a as LCM, in RHS we have ax square plus p plus q into x plus pq by a. By taking a as common, you will get a square x square plus a into p plus q into x, by separating a pqx plus aqx aqx plus pq. Now, from a square x square plus apx, we can take ax as common. So, you will get ax plus p. From aqx plus pq, by taking q as common, you will get ax plus p. Again, by taking ax plus p as common, we got finally ax plus p into ax plus q. So, we can do this in this type also, just like the previous problems. But in the previous form, we have the coefficient of x square is 1, but here you may have the coefficient of x square as other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, or you may have negative numbers. So, in both cases you can follow the same process, but if the expression is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, directly you can take the factors of c. If the given expression is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, multiply a and c, a into c. So, After getting that, you can take the factors. By adding those two factors, you must get the middle term bx. Here we have the example 6x square plus 17x plus 5. 6x square plus 17x plus 5. 17x plus 5. So, clearly this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In place of a we have 6. In place of b we have 17. Constant term b is 5. So, multiply 6 and 5. What will you get? 30. 6 into 5 equal to 30. Now, take the factors of 30. But here the middle term is 17. So, by taking the factors of 13 as 15 and 2. 10 and 3 are also factors. 6 and 5 are also factors. But by adding them, you will not get 17. So, according to the middle term, you have to consider the factors of 30. So, 15 into 2 30, by adding 15 and 2, what will you get? 17. So, that is why we can write 17 as 15 plus 2. So, P plus Q, 15 plus 2, that is B. P into Q, 6 into 5 equal to 30. So, from this 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. 15 plus 2 17. From 6x square plus 15x we can take 3x as common. You will get 2x plus 5. From 2x plus 5 there is no common factor, that is why you can take 1 as common. So, 1 of 2x plus 5. Again by taking this 2x plus 5 as common, you will get 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1. 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1. So, according to the given quadratic trinomial, you can take the factors of C or AC. But here the condition is by adding those two factors, you must get the middle term. So, according to that you can take the factors and simplify. Okay. So, problems are easy, but calculation part is very, very important. Now, let us do the problems related to the concept which we have discussed. Now, the problems will be in the form of x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. Factorize x square plus 5x minus 24. So, this is the given polynomial x square plus 5x minus 24. So, here 24 is there in place of c. If you compare with x square plus bx plus c, minus 24 is there in place of c. If you take the factors of minus 24, if you take 8 and 3, so if you take 24 factors according to the middle term, where what is the middle term? 5. So, by taking the factors of 24 as 8 and minus 3, so minus 24 is there. So, by taking the factors of minus 24 as 8 and minus 3, 8 into minus 3 minus 24, by adding 8 and minus 3, then what will you get? 8 plus minus 3, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5, that is middle term. That is why we can write x square. I am writing 5x as 8x minus 3x. You can keep minus 24 as it is. Just you have to modify the middle term only according to the factors. Minus 24 is there. So, by taking the factors of minus 24 as 8 and minus 3. So, x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. From x square plus 8x, by taking x as common, you will get x of x plus 8. X of x plus 8. Can you say what is the common factor for minus 3x and minus 24? So, clearly that is minus 3. Minus 3. 24 can be written as 3 into 8. So, since we are taking minus 3 as common, then you will get x plus 8. So, again by taking x plus 8 as common, you will get x plus 8 into x minus 3. So, just like this we can express the given quadrinomial, given trinomial, given quadratic trinomial like this, x plus 8 into x minus 3. So, very simple. First you can check whether the given expression is in the form of x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. Here the given polynomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, where b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 24. Take the factors of minus 24, 8 and minus 3. 8 into minus 3 minus 24. By taking the sum of 8 and minus 3, you will get plus 5. So, x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. Take x as common from the first two terms. Take minus 3 as common from the last two terms. So, finally, we got x plus 8 into x minus 3. So, hope you understood, ma'am. Next problem. So, factorize x square minus 4x minus 21. X square minus 4x minus 21. Can anyone say how can you express minus 21 according to the middle term? What is the middle term? Minus 4x. So, you have to take the factors of minus 21, but by adding those two factors you must get the middle term minus 4. Here minus 21 can be written as minus 7 into 3. Sir, why do not you write 7 into minus 3? Minus 7 into 3 minus 21. 7 into minus 3 is also minus 21. If you write minus 7 and 3, minus 7 plus 3 equal to minus 4. If you write 7 and minus 3, 7 minus 3 equal to plus 4. So, since minus 4 is there, then we have to take the factors of minus 21 as minus 7 and 3 only. According to that, we can write. So, here I am expressing minus 4x as minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. Again take the first two terms, x square minus 7x. Clearly x is a common factor. So, x of x minus 7. By taking the last two terms 3x minus 21, clearly 3 is the common factor. 3 into x minus 7. First term is x into x minus 7. Second term is 3 into x minus 7. Again by taking this x minus 7 as common, you will get x minus 7 into x plus 3. So, we have expressed the given polynomial as the product of two polynomials x minus 7 and x plus 3, where in place of c we have minus 21. Take the factors of minus 21 to get the middle term as minus 4, 7 and minus 3, minus 7 and 3. But according to the middle term, you have to take minus 7 and 3 only. So, if you take minus 7 and 3, minus 7 plus 3 equal to minus 4. But if you take 7 and minus 3, so 7 and minus 3 are also factors. 7 into minus 3, 21. But if you take plus 7 minus 3, then you will get plus 4. But the middle term is minus 4. That is why we have to consider the factors as minus 7 and 3 only. Okay. So, hope you understood, ma'am. Next problem. So, factorize 2x square plus 11x minus 21. So, observe in the previous two problem the coefficient of x square is 1, but here the coefficient of x square is 2. 2x square plus 11x minus 21. So, this is clearly in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So, we have to multiply a and c, where a equal to 2 and c equal to minus 21. So, by multiplying 2 and minus 21, then what will you get? Minus 42. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. According to the middle term, you can take the factors of 42. Minus 42 is there. The middle term is 11. The middle term is 11. You can take 14 and minus 3. You can take 14 and minus 3. 14 3 is a 42. 14 into minus 3 minus 42. 14 plus minus 3 you will get 11. 7 and minus 6 are also factors. 7 6 are 42 or 7 into minus 6 minus 42. But by taking the sum of 7 and minus 6 you will get 1. But here the middle term is 11. So, according to the middle term 11, you can consider the factors of minus 42 as 14 and minus 3. Now, we can write the middle term 11x as 14x minus 3x. 2x square plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. So, first term 2x square I am writing 11x as 14x minus 3x, and you can keep the last term minus 21 as it is. From the first two terms, 2x square plus 14x, we can take 2x as common. By taking 2x as common, you will get x plus 7. From the last two terms, minus 3x minus 21, by taking minus 3 as common, you will get minus 3 of x plus 7. So, again we can take x plus 7 as common. Again, by taking x plus 7 as common, you will get x plus 7 into 2x minus 3. So, we have expressed the given polynomial 2x square plus 11x minus 21 as the product of two polynomials as x plus 7 and 2x minus 3. So, first of all, we have to check whether the given polynomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. If the given polynomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, directly you can take the factors of c according to the middle term. If the given expression is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, multiply a and c. After getting that value according to the middle term, take the factors of ac. So, from that you will get the product of two factors of the given polynomial. Next, factorize 6x square plus 7x minus 3. Here also this expression is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a equal to 6, b equal to 7 and c equal to minus 3. 6x square plus 7x minus 3, where in place of a we have 6, in place of c we have minus 3. So, 6 into minus 3 equal to minus 18, minus 8 according to the middle term. What is the middle term? 7. Can anyone say how can you take the factors of minus 18 to get the middle term 7? Very simple, 9 and minus 2. 9 into minus 2 minus 18, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So, by taking the factors of minus 18 as 9 and minus 2, 9 into minus 2 minus 18, 9 plus minus 2 7, that is the middle term. So, we can express 6x square by writing 7x as 9x minus 2x plus 9x minus 2x minus 3. Consider the first two terms 6x square plus 9x. From these two terms we can take 3x as common. You will get, so by taking 3x as common you will get 3 two terms. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So, 2x plus, so 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Since we have taken x as common, 2x plus 3. From minus 2x minus 3 we can take minus 1 as common. So, we can write minus 1 of 2x plus 3. So, by taking the first two 3x as common, from the first two terms 3x of 2x plus 3. By taking minus 1 as common from the last two terms, minus of 2x plus 3. So, now by taking this 2x plus 3 as common, we will get 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. So, we can express the given polynomial 6x square plus 7x minus 3 as the product of two polynomials like this, 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. So, take 6x square plus 7x minus 3, multiply 6 and minus 3, we got minus 18. Take the factors of minus 18 as 9 and minus 2. 9 into minus 2 minus 18, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So, by taking 3x as common from the first two terms, minus 1 as common from the last two terms, finally we got 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Now, factorize 9x square minus 22x plus 8. 9x square minus 22x plus 8. So, this is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Take 9 into 8. What is 9 into 8? 72. 9 into 8 equal to 72. But the middle term is minus 22. take the factors of 72 to get the middle term as minus 22. If you take minus 18 and minus 4, if you take minus 18 and minus 4 as the factors, minus 18 into minus 4 plus 72, minus 18 minus 4 minus 22. So, we can write 9x square minus 18x minus 4x plus 8. From the first two terms 9x square minus 18x, we can take 9x as common. So, you will get x minus 2. From minus 4x plus 8, by taking minus 4 as common, you will get x minus 2. From the first two terms 9x square minus 18x, we can take 9x as common, x minus 2. From minus 4x plus 8, by taking minus 4 as common, we got x minus 2. Again, by taking this x minus 2 as common, you will get x minus 2 into, here we have 9x, here we have minus 4. So, x minus 2 into 9x minus 4, x minus 2 into 9x minus 4. So, the given expression is 9x square minus 22x plus 8. Clearly, that is a quadratic trinomial. That is clearly in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Take 9 into 8, that is 72. Take the factors of 72 as minus 18 and minus 4, because the middle term is 22. 8 9 is 72, those are also factors. 36 into 2 is also 72, but by adding them we are not getting the middle term. According to the middle term, you can choose the factors. So, by taking minus 18 and minus 4 as the factors, minus 18 into minus 4 plus 72, minus 18 minus 4 minus 22. So, 9x square minus 18x minus 4x plus 8. From the first two terms, we can take 9x as common, 9x of x minus 2. From last two terms, by taking minus 4 as common, minus 4 of x minus 2. Again, by taking x minus 2 as common, we got x minus 2 into 9x minus 4. Okay. So, in today's class, we have discussed factorization of quadratic trinomial. So, when a polynomial contains second degree and that polynomial contains 3 terms. If a polynomial contains 3 terms, we can say that is a trinomial. If the degree of the trinomial is 2, then we can say that is a quadratic trinomial. So, the quadratic trinomial may have the form x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. So, for expressing those two polynomials as the product of two factors, the procedure is same. If the given polynomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, take the factors of c. If the given polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, multiply a and c, multiply a and c. So, you will get some value, take the factors of ac. Okay. After getting the factors of c or ac, you can take the other factors according to the middle term. The middle term may be x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. In those two polynomials, the middle term is b only, x square plus bx plus c or ax square plus bx plus c. In both cases, the middle term is b only. The middle term is b only. According to the middle term, you can take the factors of c or ac. So, by expressing that, you can take the first two terms as one group, last two terms as one group. So, according to that, you can take the common factor and again you will get one factor as common. From that, we can express the given polynomial as the product of two polynomials. So, we have discussed factorizing the difference of two squares. So, when two squares are there, a square minus b square form. So, if two terms are there, we have to express those two terms in the form of a square minus b square. A square is the first term, b square is the second term. A square minus b square means difference of those two, and apply the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. And also we have discussed factorization of quadratic trinomials. Factorization of quadratic trinomials. So, quadratic means second degree, trinomial means containing 3 terms, and also we have done some problems related to those concepts. So, factorization of quadratic trinomials is very important concept, because in 10th class we have the chapter quadratic equations. In that chapter, to solve the given problem, we can use this concept, factorization of quadratic trinomials. So, we have discussed these concepts in today class in the chapter polynomials, and we have done some problems related to those concepts. In the next class, in the same chapter polynomials, let us take one more concept and we can do the problems related to that concept. So, meanwhile, once you have to recap all the concepts and problems which we have discussed in the class. Okay. Just you can maintain a separate notebook, you can write all the points and problems whatever we have discussed in the class. After completing the class every day, so please note down all those concepts or problems in a separate notebook and you can practice them. Okay. You have to follow the class regularly, and after that you have to practice them, then easily you can solve the problems. So, thank you all my dear students for subscribing Turito. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.